Howdy, partner. Do you want to do a fun splatter art project with your kids for their room? Well, keep on watching. We're going to show you how. You ready? Big high five. First step is going to be to measure out how large you would like that big mural to be. So we're going to say about 5 feet, 6 feet. Take up this whole wall here. It'll be a lot cleaner than just throwing paint on the wall and making it uneven. This way, we'll get that look without necessarily screwing up the wall. So for this project, we're just going to use 2x2 pieces of wood. Now you can use any old scrap wood you have. We had a couple 2x2s we previously used and got the paint on it. That's just fine because we're going to cut these up, put them together, and then we're going to cover it with a white bed sheet. Just get a pack of white bed sheets, and that's going to give us a nice canvas to work on. So pretty easy and pretty inexpensive. What you want to do is figure out what that measurement's going to be. We figured out it was at 5 foot by 6 foot. And then you're going to measure and cut your wood. Now, if you'd like to do it at an angle with a miter saw, you can do that and go ahead and do that either by hand or with a saw, or you could even do it flat and just try to nail it together or screw it together. But what we're going to do is cut 2 pieces at 6 foot and then 2 pieces at 5 foot, and then we're going to take these 12-inch pieces that we're also going to do as corner supports. So let me show you how we get this cut, and then we'll attach it all together. So we're going to measure out to that 5 foot length and mark it. And then we're also going to mark which angle we would like for that 45-degree cut. Once we do that, we just get it set up on the saw. Like I said, you could use just a hand saw if you want, or if you happen to have access to an actual miter saw at 45 degrees. For the corner supports, same idea. We're going to do those at 12 inches, mark them, angle them, and then cut. So it's starting to come together. What you want to do is lay out your pieces together, and then you're just going to squeeze them like this, and you want to come in real close. And what we're going to do is we're going to screw a pilot hole. Now this is where your kids can start to really help. Can you guys come and stand on this for me? Human clamps. There we go. So we got one there and one there. Okay, so you're going to drill a pilot hole. Be very careful. And then once you drill that pilot hole, you can go ahead and put in a screw. Now we're just using 1.5 inch screws here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So that works for that. So for your corner supports, you're just going to drill a pilot hole into each side, about 1/2 inch from the edge. And once you drill those in, then you can actually start your 1.5 inch screws if you'd like, just to make it easier. And then you can get your helpers over again and say, all right, helpers, can you stand on this corner for me?
Okay. Wait.
Stand right over here.
Okay. Where do I stand? Where do I stand?
Right there. And then we're going to put one in here. All right, so now we've gotten our frame totally assembled. And what we're going for is something that's really lightweight because we're going to hang it on the wall. We don't want it to be super heavy. So see if you guys can pick this up. What do you think? Grab this side. Here, come on over here, Summer. Pick up this side. Can you lift it? Oh, one-handed. Okay. Not heavy at all. There we go. So all we've taken is just a cheap white bed sheet, and we made 2 of these, one with the fitted sheet and one with the unfitted. And we're just going to put it over here. And then as we stretch it really, really hard, then wearing eye protection, you're going to go ahead and put in some staples all the way around the entire thing. If you can see, we've already done part of the top. We might trim a little bit off, but you can get the right size bed sheet depending on what size frame you're doing. And we're going to finish stapling together and get ready to paint. You ready? All right. And this is a great way to get rid of a bunch of old paint. So we've got all sorts of paint that we've been saving from projects around the house. And what we're going to do is we're going to add just a little bit of each one. Oh, that one's kind of chunky. To a bunch of cups, and then we'll take it out back and start painting. You excited?
Yes!
All right. Yeah. We've got all the paint laid out, all these different fun colors. Are you guys ready to make a big mess on that canvas?
Yeah!
Yeah, you want to throw paint?
Yeah!
All right, well, let's everybody grab a color, and what we're going to do is I'm going to put these spoons in there, and you can kind of fling it. And we're going to go over far away from the house and far away from everything else so we don't make a big mess, and we're going to paint that giant picture. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's your favorite color? You can go with that one?
I went with this one.
That one? All right, I'm gonna go with the pink. Let's go. Well, listen, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get started. We put in this canvas where nothing else can get painted because I know you guys are gonna make a mess here at Mr. Greg's art camp.
Yeah.
But you just wanna take it and just have some fun throwing it sort of like that, sideways with your spoons. Go ahead, get at it. There we go. There we go, try not to get on each other. Oh, that looks really cool. So let's get some nice splashes with your spoons. And you can get nice long ones like that, or just straight ones. And we'll use all the different colors. Is this fun?
Yeah, really fun.
Whoa, Piper, that was a good color.
I got some on my shoes.
Oh, on your shoe? Okay, I'm sure it's everywhere. Here, why don't you use this one? Why don't you use this one? There we go.
Oh gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, the navy blue.
You want to get the top. Wow, and don't forget about the sides. Here, get that on everything, Mia. Here you go. Use your spoon, just kind of splash it. All right, not too much of any one color. Back up a little bit.
It splashed me. I'm getting pink.
Here, let's get it from like really far back. So you get these nice long... Whoa, whoa, you cover me. There we go. Is this fun? What? Oh, you got it on your neck? Wow.
Oh, it's in her hair.
We're gonna need a shower. You girls, this is like fine art. You could sell this.
Yeah.
It's Picasso right here. Yeah. You want here? How much use this one? There we go. Oh no, I got a Mr. Greg shirt. I didn't want to do that. All right, let's go. Okay. Well, this looks awesome. Let's let this dry and let's see how it comes out. What do you guys think?
It's cool.
Pretty fun. All right. Do you do this kind of stuff at school?
No.
No, not allowed to. Well, this is much better to do it out in the yard than in the actual room. So let's check this out in a few hours. Before you hang it up, you just need to either get a steel wire or a picture hanger. You can buy a little pack of these at any hardware store. And then it's got these tiny little nails, which are easier to put in with a set of pliers. Just attach 2 of those or a wire, and then you can hang on the wall. Well, that was a fun project with a great end product. What do you think?
Yes.
Was that a lot of fun? Is it look pretty awesome?
Yes.
Better than I expected. What do you think? Better or worse? Put in the comments. Let us know. So, one last thing we need to do. We need to sign the bottom corner with your name and year. So take this paint pen and go ahead and sign it in. Well, that is beautiful. I can't wait for you to enjoy these for years to come. And when you go to college, you want to take these in college and put them in your dorm room? Maybe. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project. Super simple. Makes a big difference. Came out pretty cool. So remember all these projects. If I can do it,
You can too.
you can too. Thanks for watching.